So if you run a WordPress website, then you know the way to log in into WordPress website just by typing the website URL and add wp-admin in the end, and it will take you to the login page of website. Or what you can do, you can type the website URL and then wp-login.php. But as you might already know that 35% of websites on the internet, they are powered by WordPress, and it is open source software, and anybody can download WordPress and use it to create their website. When the WordPress is available for everybody, then they also know that how to log in into any WordPress website. So if you want to log in into any WordPress website, you need to type the website URL and then you add wp-login.php or wp-admin to log in into that website. And it is not a good thing because anybody can reach to your login page and they can try to hack into your website, especially if you use a weak username and password. So in today's video, we're going to change this default WordPress login URL to a secret one, and it will make your website more secure against hacking. So before we move forward, I would like to tell you, in this channel, I give a lot of important and useful tips and tricks to create your website, to keep it safe and make it more faster. So if you want to upgrade your website game, consider subscribing to my channel, and I promise you will receive a lot of useful information in the most easy way. So let's go into the video and make your website URL secret one that you only have access of this website login URL. First of all, we need to log in into WordPress dashboard. Once you logged in inside WordPress dashboard, we are going to install new plugin. So from left sidebar, we'll go to plugins and then click on add new. Now we are going to search for a plugin which is called WPS Hide Login. This is a plugin. They have more than 700,000 plus active installations and they have almost 5-star rating given by more than 1700 users. And it was updated 1 week ago. I'm using this plugin for a long time and they always release new updates to keep it more secure and make your website harder to hack. So now we are going to install it. Click on install now. Once it is installed, click activate. Now you have two ways to reach to the plugin settings. First, you can go to install plugin page and then here this is a plugin and click on settings. The another way is go to setting from left sidebar and click the last option, WPS Hide Login. This plugin is so simple. It has only two options. First option is login URL. You can change it to a secret one. For example, secret website login 112211. So I recommend you set something which is not easy to guess so that you have only access to your website. The second option is if somebody try to log in into your website by wp-login.php or wp-admin, they will redirect it to this URL. So by default here it is my 404 error page. So once you set these two things, just click on save changes. And now this is your new website login URL. This is the only URL from which you can log in into website. Make sure you bookmark this page or you save it somewhere, because if you forget it, you will not be able to log in into your website. Further in this video, I will tell you if you forgot this URL, then how you can recover your website login page. So now let's go into private tab and open the website. So I'll type my website URL and default login wp-admin, and you can see it is redirected to a 404 page. Or I can try wp-login.php, same thing. The only way to log into website now is this new URL which we set by this plugin. So now we'll enter this URL. Okay, so from here we can reach to a login page. This is our new secret website URL. You can choose whatever you want, and that URL will be the only way to log in into your website dashboard. Okay, now let's speak if you forget your website URL. What you need to do is you need to log in into your website by FTP FileZilla or by cPanel, whichever way you think it is easy for you. So once you log in, you need to go inside WP content folder, then go to plugins, and then scroll down and you will find a folder WPS Hide Login. Either you can rename it or you can delete it. I will delete this one, but make sure you take backup of your website. If you don't know how to take backup of a WordPress website and how to restore your website from the backup, I'll put a link on the top right so you can learn how to take backup and restore it the most easy way. Okay, so I deleted this plugin. Now we'll go back. So this used to be our website login URL, but in case we forget it, so what we did, we deleted the plugin files from FTP or from cPanel, and now I try to reload this URL. Okay, so now because we deleted the plugin, this URL doesn't exist. Now we'll go back and use the usual method. Here, our default WordPress login page is available again. So once you log in here, you can set this secret URL again by the help of WS Hide plugin, and then save it somewhere so you do not lose the access to login into WordPress website dashboard. I hope this video was useful for you and it increased your website security. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family who want to upgrade their website game. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Have a nice day.